Hi everyone, in this video let's see how to use the check button. Here we can see in the windows which we can click on it and we can use whether it is true or false, whether we have to select it or not. These are check buttons. Let's see how to implement these check buttons. We are going to use the same code from the previous. We are going to remove this label because we are not going to use this label class. We will import check button, right? So we will again remove this label widget which we were using. We'll use check button. Now we will add check buttons here. Check one. We are adding 3 buttons, check buttons. Dot check button self text is equal to disabled state is equal to disabled. Check this position grid row is equal to 0, column is equal to 0, sticky is equal to tk, w is west, right? Next, another check button, check 2 is equal to ttk dot check button self text is equal to unchecked. Check 2 dot grid row is equal to 1, column is equal to 0, check 3 is equal to ttk dot check button self text is equal to enabled check 3, the position of check 3 row is equal to 2, column is equal to 0. So this is how we are going to add the widget. Let's run this. Press F5. TTK is not defined because we haven't imported TTK. We have to import TTK here. TTK, and let's delete this. Let's run it. Again it is showing error because I haven't imported Tkinter as TK. Now it is showing all the 3 check buttons. One is disabled because we have given the state as disabled, and another is unchecked and this is enable.